mom says I started singing as soon as I started speaking. I think I was 4 when I started really singing with an instrument. Did my first concert, not a concert, sorry, it was like a performance on the stage. So yeah, I have been always a very hyper kid, but music somehow flew in me very effortlessly. And my mother being my guru, I was in a very small township where only scientists and likeness of people of intellectual kinds were living in that kind of colony. Music का कोई दूर दूर से रिश्ता नहीं था उस जगह पे. So I think somehow in growing in that kind of environment where all the entertainment we used to derive from was very creative work, listening to good music, appreciating good stuff. That's how I started learning and started falling in love with music, and it came very naturally to me. My mom, dad both felt that I have some kind of a gift when it comes to understanding tunes, notes, being surila, and my dad's intense love for art and music kind of drove me into learning music more. One fine day we just came to know that our school has decided to have a music class, and one teacher came, Jayavardhan Bhatnagar sir. He's still in Rautbhata. I sometimes get to speak to him on the phone. I really adore him. He started teaching me some Rajasthani folk music, little bit of classical. Dad and my teacher decided that they found a poster in the cooperative society. वहाँ पे shops जो थे वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा सा poster लगा हुआ था saying it's a competition which goes national level, जिसके auditions were in the nearest city, Kota. I started preparing. First time I started learning film songs, and intense rehearsals started, and it was pretty good fun, I would say. My first song which I had learnt was this song called, very rare for any music lover. ये गाने भी बहुत rare ही है जो मैंने पहले सीखे. It was a song by पंडित रविशंकर जी का म्यूजिक है, अनुराधा फिल्म. हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए, जाके रे तू लौट आए, हाय रे वो दिन क्यों ना आए. ये गाना मैंने पहला सीखा और हमने तैयारी शुरू कर दी कि चलेंगे कोटा, कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. एंड दैट डे फाइनली केम एंड वी ऑल, माय टीचर, माय सर, माय डैड, माय मॉम, द एंटायर पल्टन, वी ऑल वेंट. बहुत डर के मैंने बैठ तो गई वहाँ पे, क्या होगा कुछ मालूम नहीं था. माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बीइंग ऑन अ स्टेज लाइक इन फ्रंट ऑफ एन ऑडियंस, apart from my own people, you know. And I still have, I have very good photographic memory of my childhood. I remember things from my childhood very vividly. I had sung this song called और इस दिल में क्या रखा है, तेरा ही दर्द छुपा रखा है. When I started this line, immediately there were like thunderous claps. I froze. I don't know what happened. I still think of it and I get goosebumps because, you know, those first memories are beautiful, and these moments don't come that often. I have, in the span of so many years, I've sung in front of lakhs of audiences in huge places. I've had the opportunity to sing at the Royal Albert Hall, the Sydney Opera House. I have had opportunities to sing at very prestigious venues, but still that first performance in front of an audience, that feeling is what I yearn for, and I feel I should be able to get that kind of goosebumps or exhilarating, overwhelming feeling every time I sing on the stage. So I came to Bombay in 97. 97 was when I had already appeared in Saregama. That was pretty fun. I went there, of course it was a नाउ अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. पहला गाना जो गाया था मैंने, इट वाज फ्रॉम दिस फिल्म लेकिन, सुनियो जी अरज महारियो. And the director of that show, Gajendra Singh ji, still very fondly remembers that promo that he had cut. So the journey of Saregama also was in a span of at least 3-4 years. Like I came first when I was 11 years old. मैं फिर कुछ और एपिसोड्स में आई, फिर उसका मेगा फाइनल हुआ. पहली बारी मैं हारी, सेकेंड टाइम मैं जीती. एंड इन दिस स्पैन आई मेट कल्याण जी भाई, कल्याण जी आनंद जी, जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत सराहा. और ही रियली वांटेड मी टू शिफ्ट टू बॉम्बे. सो ही इज़ द मेजर मोटिवेशन बिहाइंड माई डैड टेकिंग दैट डिसीजन ऑफ शिफ्टिंग टू मुंबई. Of course, when I came to Mumbai, I started doing some albums. I was 13 when I did my first recording on mic. Did some Bengali albums, Marathi albums. Learned a lot. One day that call happened, and that one call kind of changed my life. That was a phone call from Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Basically, he was looking for me. And he had seen me on Saregama a couple of times, and he had kind of made up his mind that he wants this voice for Aishwarya Rai's character in Devdas. He was very sure about it. So one day he said कि चलो गाने का track ready है, now you can sing, let's rehearse. I went on the mic, sang Very Piya, thinking it's a rehearsal, and I just saw happy faces, beyond the glass. एंड अपेरेंटली दे फाइनलाइज द टेक, एंड वही टेक था, वही आपने सुना बाद में, और उसी गाने को आपने इतना सराहा. वही मेरा डेब्यू गाना था. सो माई रोल मॉडल्स वुड बी, आई हैव रियली लुक्ड अप टू लता जी फॉर हर perfection in her singing and effortlessness. My day really starts with her music. Asha ji for her fluency and range. Geeta Dutt ji for her nasha and adaigi. So these three have been my female voice role models as a child. And of course I listened to Kishore da, Rafi Saab, Mukesh ji. And there's something to always learn around you from singers around you. I listen to just way too much kind of music, so it's very difficult to even jot it down anywhere. If you look at my playlist on the phone, what I listen to, there is hard rock to jazz to classical, absolutely pure classical music, to ghazals, to pop, to electronic music, electronica, from EDM to absolutely alternative electronica, and name it and I have it. I think I am just too much in love with uniqueness and sounds, and I love all forms. That's why I try to always sing also in every form. I had way too many ambitions if I had not decided to become a singer. In my heart I knew that music का करियर भी ना बने तो भी आई एम मैरिड टू म्यूजिक, सो इट विल ऑलवेज स्टे विथ मी.